Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a Cyhentoon dual wireless microphone for iPhone and iPad from this box. First time this box will be open, we're going to go at it right now. That's the air bubble, and this is our little microphone. And this is it right here. And nice little baggie. Can't get it out. And it even has a little manual. This product is a smart wireless microphone that provides professional-grade recording output, plug-and-play, no app required. It can be used online, live broadcast, video, vlog shooting, program interview, recording, video teaching, and other occasions. This product consists of 3 parts: the charging box, the microphone transmitting end, and receiving end. Shown in the figure below, some models have no charging box, subject to the real object. Then there's the ID diagram, there's how to use it. And this doesn't specifically say for iPad when it shows Oppo, Viva, and Iku and Realm brands. And that's the packing list: microphone, lightning receiver, charging box, cable, and user manual. Then there's reverberation, silent mode, charging, fully charged, low battery, and the receiver has a power on, and you know it's on when the light blinks, and when it's unconnected the light blinks, and when it's connected the light is always on. Okay, that's the manual. Inside here we have a little cable. I can't seem to open it. Okay, there we go. And it's a USB to 2 C ports. And this is how it all unravels right here. Now we're going to take it out of the package. And this is bigger than an AirPod case. That's it right there. And those smudges means this is cold. And that's what it looks like opened up. This part goes to your phone. It says it can charge while charging your phone. I've yet to prove that. And then these are the 2 microphones. That's the USB-C port. That's the charging port for the battery for the charging case, because the case has its own battery. TX is transmitter, RX is receiver. Okay, and that's the C port. This thing should have 3 USB-C ports. Well then, we're gonna see how this works. Now, so there's a little plastic film. Gonna take that off to charge from the case. And we're gonna take this one off. And there's a little power switch. So we're gonna see if it's fully charged. Oh, there's charging. Oh, both of them have it. They both got battery. Okay, let's see if it even works when I plug this in. Now, it says no app required. We're going to find out about that. And it also says it can charge while charging the phone. Right? Well, that didn't work. It came right out. I'm shaking my whole setup here. There are no indicator lights that it's even working. The windproof net, connection indicator, microphone clip, function keys, receiver. Let's see. Indicator light turns green, turns on. Indicator light always keeps on. Open the phone camera. There is no battery in the receiver and no need to recharge during live. If the phone is low power during live, it can be charged directly through the port. Unconnected green light blinking. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I can turn it off. I can turn it on. But it still says it's not connected. I can turn it off. I can turn it on, but it says not connected. This one turned off all by itself. Let's see. There it is. It wasn't too far in. That's why it wasn't picking it up. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna tap. Test that. And we can mute it. It says tap mute. I can't get mute or reverb. Oh, there's reverb. Can't tell how I'm testing this. Don't want to turn it off. 3-click button to switch reverb. Default is not on. Need to turn on manually. Okay. Double click to mute. Double click is muted. Double click to unmute. I'm going to put one microphone up here. See how that works. And we're going to have one microphone on my shirt and see how this works. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. And we're going to find out if it works or not. Alright, we're back, and the microphones do work as they should. We just haven't had the chance to charge them yet. So we're going to plug in the charging USB-C here. Nice snug fit, and has a little bit of exposure, but that's okay. Let's see what this looks like when we plug it in our big charger. and red means charging. So there you go. Both microphones work as they should. They both sound good. The reverb is the biggest echo I've heard that I can think of, and they work great. And for $15.99 off of Amazon, you can't go wrong with that price on sale. And we can also charge the case here. See what comes up with it. And oh, there's the display 73. It's 73% of goodness. And then if that doesn't work, let's see if we can take this. Yeah. Yeah. That's a bit tight. Put that in. So the number doesn't change. But you can't, oh, there it is. You can see it. You can see the red light inside of it. That means it's charging. So everything functions as it should. It's a big case, but it does house everything accordingly. You can't go wrong with that. And this is perfect for the pocket traveler. And that's everything. So hopefully if you don't have a microwave nearby, this will work beautifully. I don't know what AI noise reduction if this doesn't require an app, but that's about it. And that's it. And that's all. Keep all its goodness here. Never know when you'll need this. And and that's my review of our little microphone. Thank you for watching and have a good day.